up guys, it's your girl Nick and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a very easy and highly effective home remedy that can help you to remove your acne blemishes, dark spots, pigmentation within a few days, and this is all with the help of coffee. So basically, I'm gonna tell you how to prepare a coffee face scrub, which can help you remove all your face problems and makes your skin look radiant, glowy, spotless, and clear. So to prepare the coffee scrub, firstly you'll be needing sugar. After that, you'll be needing this coffee grounds or coffee powder. Mine is I'm using this Nescafe red mug, which I bought for I think $8, like that. And lastly, you'll be needing olive oil, this one. And if you don't have this, you can also use coconut oil. But if in case you don't have olive oil or coconut oil, you can use almond oil. So to prepare this coffee scrub, first, put 1 tablespoon of sugar. After that, put 1 tablespoon of coffee grounds or coffee powder. And then lastly, put 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix all these 3 ingredients really well to make a smooth mixture. And after giving a good mix of all these ingredients, homemade coffee scrub is ready. Coffee is a rich source of antioxidants that protects our skin, and also the caffeine in the coffee stimulates the skin and improves blood flow to the face that makes us look radiant and bright. For the application, just grab the coffee mixture and put it in your face. But for me, I wanted to put it this way. Apply it all over your face. Gently massage it in circular motion for about 1 to 2 minutes, but I like it to stay a little bit longer. Coffee scrub is very effective if you want to remove acne blemishes or any sort of skin discoloration. This home remedy can make your skin look fair, glowing, spotless, and clear. Use this twice or thrice a week so that your skin will look bright, fair, and radiant. Rinse it off with warm water and pat dry your face. So that's it everybody, I hope this video will help you, and if you like this video,